Chainsaw Man trailer reaction. I recently looked up to see what are gonna be the new animes that about to come out soon. There seems to be a lot of hype behind this anime. It said that there was gonna be a new trailer soon, so I was like, bro, when it comes out, I'm gonna react to the first one and the second one to see what it's all about. And it seems to be like also like a different version, a Crunchyroll version as well. So go check them out. The way I need to see all of it. I need to see what the hype is about. So let's go. Ooh. Wait, what happened in this dark alley though? What happened in the alley though? She saw somebody die? I mean, he saw somebody die. Wait, what? Oh. Oh. Jesus. Also, it's a literal chainsaw man. Oh, wow. There's more? Oh, no, that's about it now. Bro, I don't know what to make of it. I thought it was just gonna be, I don't know, not that. Oh, wow. That looks crazy. Gory though, very gory though. So he probably saw something happen in the alley, or maybe, I don't know, a family member die or something, or maybe he killed somebody when he was a kid. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, but I see some things. I see that girl with that big ass hammer. That shit. Yeah. The wolf, it comes out, so maybe it's sort of like a spirit or something. I don't know. All right, let's check out the newer one though. Let's go. Wow.
アメリカで銃を使った大きなテロが起こったの。その日に銃の悪魔が現れた。
夢くらい見させてほしいよな。
Well, so he got a chainsaw plushie?
私に殺されるか、人として私に変われるか。
軽い気持ちで仕事するやつは死ぬぜ。生きてるやつはみんな根っこに信念があるやつだけだ。
おうおう、ひげ伏せ人間、わしの名はパワー。人間は嫌いじゃん。そして悪魔も嫌いじゃん。
ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに、んなことも叶えられねえのかよ。
デンジ君は人間だけど悪魔になることができるんだ。
Oh.
君は他のデビルハンターの誰よりも特別だから。そうじゃ
悪魔に狙われた場合は俺たちが殺す。
Did I see that correct though?
本気なんだよ。
邪魔すんなら死ね。
Wow. So that girl, the hammer or whatever she has is made out of blood, right? If I saw that correctly though. Maybe. Bro, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. And oh boy, seems that he was not born a chainsaw. So he was made into a chainsaw, right? Because we see a transformation. I think he pulls something. That's when it begins, no? Yeah. And then that spirit, right? That I guess that wolf-like thing, right? And then, but he had that plushie, the plushie, the chainsaw plushie. So maybe sort of like in Attack on Titan, right? With Zeke, right? When he has the monkey plushie, and then he becomes the, monkey Titan or whatever. Huh. Interesting. But it has also like a religious theme to it, no? Because he saw the cross, so maybe it's at somebody's tomb or something. I don't know. I don't really know. But then the girl looks like she's she's either like a detective, like investigator, or she works with the feds, or she's some sort of something, and then she recruits this fool, right? Yeah, yeah, I think so though. I think so though. She's like some sort of agent or something. All right, let's check out the last one though. Let's go.
デンジ君は人間だけど悪魔になることができるんだ。
But how though? How?
君は他のデビルハンターの誰よりも特別だから。
Devil, bro, how you gonna do this? How you gonna put a no, bro? Come on, no. Yeah, I don't need that.
デンジ君は人間だけど悪魔になることができるんだ。
For sure.
君は他のデビルハンターの誰よりも特別だから。
Devil hunter. Yeah, you see, yeah, the hammer though.
俺たちは殺す。お前以外全員本気なんだよ。
邪魔すんなら死ね。
Okay. I could get with this though. I like what I'm seeing. Like, gladly, I'm happy that, you know, there were at least some sort of, subtitles though, because I was lost. But that's cool. Devil hunters. So maybe he is a devil because right there in the fool said that if you join them, it will kill you, right? So maybe he is also like some sort of devil, right? I'm down though. It looks gory. It looks like there's some things in here though. Yes. Hey, whenever it comes out, we're gonna be on it though. So if you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe if you have not though, and you know, push the bell though, so you know when it comes out, you know, you could check it out with your boy though, because I'm gonna be on it though, for sure though. But yeah, man, thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and I'll see you guys when it comes out. You know, subscribe though. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell though. You know, you get the notification. So yeah.